Welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dal. Let's look at today's top health news. Taking note of the fact that no evidence had been filed to prove the treating doctors guilty, the State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission recently exonerated the Fortis Hospital, Delhi and its doctors from charges of medical negligence while treating a patient suffering from multiple problems including hypertension, chronic kidney disease, advanced azotemia, bacterial pneumonia and sepsis. Although the complainants had challenged the treatment procedure adopted by the doctors in inserting central venous catheter, dismissing the complaint, the Commission noted that it is clear from the record that there exists no evidence which would substantiate the claim of the complainants that the treatment given to the patient by the opposite parties was not acceptable or was not used generally at the time when the patient was operated upon. Back in 2012, the patient, the mother of the complainants, was suffering from breathlessness, cough and fever, and consequently she got admitted to Apollo Hospital in Delhi for proper treatment. The treatment was proving to be successful as the patient was recovering at a good pace. However, since a private room was not available at the hospital, the complainants contacted Fortis Hospital and shifted the patient for the sole purpose of availing a private room. It was alleged by the complainants that instead of shifting to a private room, the patient was taken to ICU and several invasive procedures had been performed by the doctors, even though the complainants had clearly instructed otherwise. Such invasive procedures included central venous catheter, which allegedly led to swelling around the patient's neck and also breathing difficulty. Ultimately, the patient was put on dialysis and she started complaining of extreme pain in chest. Alleging that the death of the patient had happened due to inappropriate and wrong treatment given by the doctors, the complainants approached the Delhi State Commission and filed the complaint. On the other hand, the hospital and its doctors submitted before the Commission that the deceased was a patient of hypertension, chronic kidney disease stage 5, advanced azotemia, bacterial pneumonia, sepsis and was already undergoing treatment at Indraprasth Apollo Hospital. The bench noted that from the aforesaid dicta of Honorable Apex Court, it is clear that only the failure of treatment is not prima facie a ground for medical negligence, and in order to attract the principle of res ipsa loquitur negligence. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.